Hello guys, good afternoon. Oh, this is already 12:15 12:15 noon time, so this is lunch time. So I need to cook for myself because they are not around. Oh, maybe guys, you will ask why I'm vlogging. I'm talking in English because one of my friend requested me to speak English, so they understand what I'm talking. Okay, I will cook my lunch here, and I prepared here already. This is an instant noodles, but I want it become healthy. I will add up some healthy ingredients here. So not this is instant noodle. This We will level it up. We will make it a bit healthy, right? So I will show you here. I'm boiling already water for my instant noodle. This is my instant noodle. This is mommy tom yum flavor. This is a 2 packet, and I have here 2 packet of seasoning also, but I will use only 1 packet, so not too spicy, or the seasoning is not okay. And then I have here, this one is ikan bilis. This is the dried small fish. We call this in English, in Tagalog, as dilis. And then this is prawn ball, and 5 pieces of prawn ball, and 4 pieces of wonton. This is wonton. This is homemade, but this one, the prawn ball, we buy this. And of course we will add veggie, leafy veggie. So I choose this one. We call this, what is this, bok choy? Is this bok choy? Okay, so let's cook first this, because this is frozen. So let's put it here in boiling water, and maybe I don't think so if this is enough my water, but later on we will add if not enough. So we boil this first because this is frozen one. Noodles is so quick, very fast to cook. So we cook this first. We cover it. We'll wait a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes is enough. Then okay, 5 minutes boiling already, and then this is okay, ready. Our prawn ball and the wonton is cooked, so we can put now the noodle, 2-piece noodle. I'm a bit hungry, so make it 2-piece. Oops, scary you. Yeah. We add water here. This is hot water. And because this noodle is this is fast cooking, 2 minutes only. And we put our veggie on top, just on top. Sauce, no more soup. Wait guys, put guys the seasoning. This is the tom yum seasoning. Since we put already the seasoning, we can off the fire and then cover it for 2 minutes. Wait, we will make sure the veggie, but this veggie, oh, you see it's all wilted already, so it's so fast. Okay, after 2 minutes, guys. This is already done. Wow. This is my lunch. Okay, guys. Jaran. Jaran-jaran. Oops. This is overload. Ito na guys, yung this is already our instant noodle tom yum flavor. We have prawn ball, we have bok choy, and then we have the wonton, and then this, my favorite. Okay, let's eat, guys. Let's eat with me. I'm not good in using chopstick. I really hate, but I want to learn. See my hand. I can't grip it perfectly. Need to buy. I said already that is not. Maybe he wants to buy other thing. Let's eat first, guys. I'm hungry already. It's already 12:45. This is nice. The kids don't like to eat this. That was why I cook this. They don't like. Still have in the freezer. No one eating. You cannot see my wide forehead. My hair is too high. Wonton is, this is only homemade. Minced pork and the spring onion. I like the soup. Spicy tom yum flavor soup is spicy, a bit sour, and yeah, because they put it what is that, the special they call it blue ginger. Is it blue ginger? Packet of instant noodle finish. Thank you guys. To my friend who requested to speak me in English. Hope you understand now what I'm talking about here. So hope you happy, and I don't know if I can try some more vlog to speak English, but not easy. Not easy to speak English. I'm not good in English, but I'm trying only. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Next time again. Bye bye.